morning. All right, Edward, we're going to go ahead and do the letter sounds. So number 1 is B, 2, D, 3, 4, 5, Z, 6, S, 7, A, 8, 9, I, and 10, E. All right, number 11, you're going to spell the word yet, y-et, yet. And number 12, you're going to spell the word isn't. It is a contraction, so it will have an apostrophe. Isn't. Okay, now we are going to look at some words. So we have shell, ship, and shock. The sound we hear at the beginning of those words is sh, and it is 2 letters making that sound, and it is SH. So when 2 letters come together to make one sound, we call that a digraph. We've already learned digraphs. So digraphs, when we code them, we underline them. Okay, so we're going to underline digraph SH. Then we have twin consonants, cross one out, and the E gets abbreviated. L, shell. Next one, digraph SH, underline it, and the I gets abbreviated. Ship, ship. And the next one, digraph SH and digraph CK, cross out the C and the O gets abbreviated. Shock, shock. Okay, so digraph SH, that is what we are talking about today. We're going to do 2 more words with digraph SH. All right, here's 2 more words. First one, I see digraph SH, so we're going to underline it, and the E gets abbreviated. Shred, shred. Next one, digraph SH, underline it. The I gets abbreviated. Shrink, shrink. Okay, so here is letter card SH. And the picture card is shark, shark, and we have a couple sight words that we're going to learn. Could, should, would. Okay, remember sight words do not follow spelling rules. You can't sound them out. That's why we call them sight words. You just have to memorize them. All right, then we're going to come back to our page here, and down on number 13, we're going to write digraph SH. And then on 14, we're going to spell the word she. E. 15 is wish. W-ish. And 16 is rush. Okay, now we're going to code these words. Digraph SH, and then we have I, consonant E, cross out the sneaky E, and the I gets a macron. Shine, shine. Next one, we have digraph SH, and the E gets abbreviated. Fresh, fresh. Next one, digraph SH, and the U gets abbreviated. Shut, shut. Next one, we have digraph SH, and the I gets abbreviated. Dish, dish. There's our picture. And the last one, digraph SH, and the A gets abbreviated. Flash, flash. Then down at the bottom, these are review words. I have I, consonant E, so we cross out sneaky E, macron on the I. Stripe, stripe. Next one, we have suffix ed, we box it in, and the O gets abbreviated. Frosted, frosted. The next one, we have suffix ing, box it in, digraph CK, and the A gets abbreviated. Packing, packing. There's our picture. Then we have suffix ing again, and the O gets a macron. Going, going. And the last one, we have 2 vowels here, so they get V's, C's in between, draw your line. A gets abbreviated, and the I gets abbreviated. In, napkin. Okay, the back is homework. You're going to read the little passage at the top, read the question, put your answer on the line, Then you're going to read the last question and circle your answer. Code any words that you don't know to help you sound it out. Okay, that is the end of Saxon. We're going to move on to math here. So what we're going to be doing today is taking apart numbers. Okay. So on this first one, it says that Jenny has 5 pennies. What are all the ways that she can group her pennies? Okay, well, each rod of cubes here has 5 cubes in each one. It wants us to show all different ways that we could add 2 numbers together to get to 5. Okay, so we're going to show that. So first thing we could do is we could have 1 red cube and the rest green. So that's 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then we could have 2 red and 3 green, and that's still 5. We could have 3 red and 2 green, and that's still 5. We could have 4 red and 1 green, still 5. They could all be red and have 0 green, and we still have 5. Or they could all be green and have 0 red, and we would still have 5 pennies. Okay? All right, now on the back here, it says that Jenny has 9 pennies. What are all the ways that she can group her pennies? Well, there's 9 blue cubes here and 0 white. So that means that that's 9 minus 0 still equals 9. Okay? Then we have our 9 cubes here again, but we need to see how many are white. How many are white? Well, there's just 1 white. So 9 minus 1, how many blue do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, then down here, I'm going to use my blue pen here. It wants us to show all different ways we could take apart 9 cubes and see what our answer is. We've already done 0 and 1, so the next one is going to be 2. So 9 minus 2. So we only want to have 2 white cubes left. So we're going to color all of these blue except for 2. So 9 minus 2, we need to see how many blue we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 minus 2 equals 7. The next one, we've done 0, 1, 2. Now we're going to do 3. So we need to have 3 white left. So we're going to color the rest blue. How many blue do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now we're going to do 4. So we want to have 4 white left. Color the rest blue. How many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Next one we're going to do is 5. So we're going to have 5 white. How many blue did we color? 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now we're going to do 6. We want 6 white. So we'll color the rest blue. How many are blue? 1, 2, 3. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Now we're going to do 7. We want to have 7 white. How many are blue? Just 2. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. Now we're going to do 8. We want to have 8 white. So we only have 1 blue. So 9 minus 8 equals 1. And the next one we have 9. So we want all 9 to be white. How many are blue? None. So that's 0. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Okay. Then on the back, we're going to do the same thing, but with 10 cubes instead. So 10 minus 1. So we're going to have 1 white and the rest are 10. So we're going to color blue until we only have 1 left. How many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. Then we're going to do 2. We want to have 2 white and the rest blue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. The next one's going to be 3. So we want 3 white and the rest blue. How many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. And the next one, we're going to put 4. So we want 4 white and the rest blue. How many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Okay, we're not going to do the hot questions. Turn it to the back. Okay, it says that there are 8 puffins skating. Then 3 puffins stop to rest, which shows how many puffins are still skating. So there were 8 puffins. Okay, 3 of them stopped. So that's the same as subtracting, like if they were leaving, they stopped skating. So 8 minus 3 equals, we want to figure out how many are left. Let's draw our picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3 or take away 3. How many are still skating? Just 5. There's our answer. Next one says, Matthew and Penny have 7 peanuts, which shows a way that they can share the peanuts. So we want to see a way that we can subtract when we only have 7. So we have to subtract 7 to where we have 2 numbers that equal 7. Okay, so 7 minus a number, okay, equals something. So we know we're subtracting. We only have 7 peanuts to begin with. So which one shows 7 to begin with? Here's a 7. That's a 10, so that's not going to help us. Here's a 7. Okay, now we're subtracting because we're dividing up the peanuts. So here's a subtraction or a minus sign, but then here's the plus sign. We're not adding. We're subtracting because we're separating those peanuts for 2 people. 7 minus 4 equals 3. That's the only way to show splitting up the 7 peanuts. Okay, the next one says Anne has 6 dolls. She gives 1 doll to her sister, then she gives 1 more doll to her sister. How many dolls does Anne have now? Okay, well, first she has 6 dolls, so let's draw those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dolls. She gives 1 to her sister. She gives it away, so we're going to cross 1 out. Then she gives another one to her sister. Cross 1 more out. How many dolls does Anne have now? Just 4. Then down at the bottom, it wants us to pick an answer that shows a way to take apart 9 or subtract. Because if you're taking apart, you're subtracting. Okay? So if we're taking apart 9, that's all we have is 9. We have to have 9 minus something is going to equal something. Okay? Because that's all we have is 9 to take apart. Well, this one says 10 minus 9. We don't have 10, we only have 9, so that's not our answer. The next one says 9 plus 9. We're not adding more. We're trying to take apart the 9, so we have to subtract. The last one says 9 minus 1 equals 8. That is our answer because we're taking apart 9 to 2 smaller numbers. Okay? All right, then you have math homework. And I will post pictures of the rest of your work too that is due. So you'll just send me pictures of that, Edward, okay?